going on, guys? So today I am in South Lake Tahoe, and I've been coming here pretty much every year with my family, and I've never heard of this waterfall here, and I'm super excited to see it and share it with you guys. It is along Glenn Alpine Creek, and it's called the Glenn Alpine Waterfall, just a little outside of Fallen Leaf Lake. So anyways, I'm obsessed with finding waterfalls. I just love them, and I can't wait to see it and share it with you guys. So let's go check it out. What I'm doing is I'm going to take two different shots. I'm going to take this one right here, and this is what my setup looks like. And then I'm going to head up to the top and get a nice wide shot. So I wanted to get a little bit low to be able to have some of the river, and then I wanted to get a little bit high to have more of all the waterfall because it is so large. Now what I'm doing is I'm keeping my shutter speed real low to be able to get that nice smooth water. You guys, you know how much I like smooth waterfalls. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now, and let's go to the next spot. Hi-yo! So this is my second setup. I'm going to do both a vertical and horizontal here, but I just wanted to get on top of the waterfall as well. So let's check out my settings. So I switched up my settings just a little bit. The water was just too smooth, so I wanted a little less smooth, a little more texture in the water. So that's why I bumped my shutter speed up a little bit. There you go. So keeping my ISO low, no grain. F is 6.3. I should get a good depth of field with that. Everything should be in focus. And then the shutter speed is 1/6. Alright, so let's talk about waterfalls really quickly and how I approach them in order to get a good, nice waterfall shot. Now, what I like to do is I like that smooth water. You guys know how I like that. So what I want is to make my shutter speed low, so that way I can get that nice smooth water. I keep my ISO low in order to get no grain. And then my depth of field, my f-stop is going to be somewhere between 6.3 to 11. That's just typically what I like. So when you're shooting a waterfall, you're going to get white water. Now, what's going to end up happening is those white water areas are going to get blown out if you're shooting in any sort of harsh light. So what you want to do is make sure to shoot during sunset, soft light, sunrise is good too, or shooting in the shade. So that's pretty much how I like to approach shooting a waterfall. So recap really quickly is a low shutter speed, f-stop of 6.3 to 11, somewhere around there. Keep your ISO low, depending on your camera, just keep it low, and then shoot when there's really soft, nice light. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more from me, I do a lot of tips, tricks, and how-tos, and then behind the scenes and how I got the shots like this video today. And leave a comment down below. I'd love to chat with you just about photography, about this trip. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below with your questions and I'd love to chat. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one and I'll see you in my next video. Bye y'all.